They say Slovenia is the only country with love in its name and roads shaped like hearts. Let's explore together. Today's episode is all about Bovec, adrenaline, cuisine, and stunning turquoise waters.
Nice.
My Bovec adventure kicked off with an absolute stunning waterfall, thanks to Bovec Paddleboarding, who showed me this incredible spot. I couldn't help but throw my hands in the air, letting the refreshing water cascade over me. It was pure joy, like being a teenager again. You know that feeling when you're completely uninhibited and just soaking in the moment. That's exactly how it was. Ya de regreso, y todo lo bueno se acaba pronto. Nos topamos con un desfile de Porsches bien padres de todos colores. Finalmente, sono a casa mia. Adoro già questo posto, con la sua cucina aperta e una piscina che è absolument magnifique. Couleur émeraude et turquoise. Neverjetno, kako je tukaj lepo. Even through the clouds, Mount Swietniak, the radiant one, shines with a New Zealand-like majesty. Je suis ravie de vous montrer l'intérieur. Emerald Valley apartments are perfect for solo travelers, couples, or families with diverse room options. This apartment is ideal for 2 couples or a family with 2 kids. And I especially love the lights in the living room and bedroom. They're in the shape of Swietniak, while the bathroom lights glow in beautiful emerald green. Unpack, quick change. Tonight, Bovec's legendary Letni Vrt awaits. Years of fame ready to taste. Jaz že veliko dobrega slišala o vaši restauraciji in sem zelo vesela, da smo danes tukaj pri vas.
Mi smo veseli, da vas že lahko gostili. Zdaj videli smo tako, da smo lahko stopalce. Ustoži, ki je sestavljen iz kajena, ustoži,
The trout tartare is made of smoked trout and local common trout from this area. My evening started with super fresh bread and a mouth-watering homemade spread. Pure bliss. Then, trout tartare with beetroot, citrus fruits, and fig marmalade arrived. Seriously, heaven on earth. So refreshing, sweet, and crunchy. Next, grilled porcini with gorgonzola sauce. And finally, grilled stuffed squid with roasted potatoes, salsa verde, and seasonal veggies. And the delicious white wine was the perfect companion for this evening's feast. Beyond the incredible food, this place truly shines. Inside, they offer vast possibilities for larger gatherings, perfect for weddings, celebrations, birthdays, or even welcoming new arrivals. Ideal for a truly unique sleepover experience. Located right in the heart of Bovec, I highly recommend everyone to visit this wonderful spot. To cap it all off, a wonderful homemade plancha, herbal bitters, absolutely delicious for the taste buds and incredibly soothing for the stomach. What a pleasure to be here tonight. Every moment, every bite was simply delicious. I felt like a queen and I'm so happy to have had this amazing experience. What a wonderful end to the night. Good morning. In the next series, you'll see even more highlights from my adventures. Until then, mahalo!